I'm totally just gonna goof off with this. So, my friends have told me that I need to make a compilation of my weird noises, because apparently I have a lot of weird noises. I'm sorry if I'm talking loud. I'm sorry if any of this stuff, like, offends someone or something, because I don't mean to do that. Anyway, first one is a constipated old man noise, or so everyone calls it. I think it's just a weird noise, but, you know, whatever. And that's that. The rest of this is just gonna be me goofing off and having no idea what I'm doing with all my weird noises, so... That was probably very terrible. Oh, gosh. Hi, Ripley. Am I calling you over with my weird noises? Darn it, I can't dog whistle right now. Oh, Ripley! Ripley! Come here, my child! Come here! Come here! Be my footrest. Yes. No. Bye. Okay, fine. I don't love you either. I can be a duck. What? Stop staring at me like a weirdo. Stop staring at me like a weirdo. I already know I'm a weirdo. It'd be so weird if there was somebody just like listening to me doing this. Oh gosh. Come with me and come over to the piano with me. Here we go. I can piano. I know how to play the piano, play the piano, play the piano. I'm gonna be super embarrassed after uploading this, aren't I?
How you guys doing?
I'm gonna call this good because I'm at like 8 minutes.
Bye-bye, people.